Alright, so today Kelly and I closed on this house in Richland, Pennsylvania that I'll show you briefly. And we are just getting the trash out at the moment. And I am working on the basement while Kelly is upstairs taking some of the wallpaper down. There's this unbelievably hideous wallpaper upstairs that I will show you shortly. And it had to come down, so she's working on that. I'm working on trashing out. I'm giving you a tour in reverse. This is the first floor bath. Super gross. Oh, let me give you a real tour. This is the living room. This will be the kitchen with an island in the center. And then we're going to have cabinets and counters across. That is the current kitchen, which I'll show you in a minute. This door goes outside to our lovely wrap-around porch. See? Towards the front of the house. All knob and tube currently. We got to get an electrician in here pronto. Get that straightened out. We use way too much electricity to be on knob and tube. The kitchen's L-shaped. So, coming in the door, this is what you see. There's a sink, and then this is it. And then around the corner, fridge, stove. Very weird setup. And then this is the bathroom, which is just terrible. Water stained ceiling. This thing is not worth anything. And yeah, that's pretty much that. This is all coming down. We're gonna put in a farmer's sink here, like a wash basin, take all this stuff out. It's not going to be a regular bathroom. Check out these phenomenal built-ins. One of the things I really loved about this place when I first saw it was the built-ins. So this door right here, you're thinking, oh, this must lead outside. No, it leads into a closet. If you see, that is actually just a temporary wall. So we're gonna knock that down and I'll show you where it comes out to. This is the grand parlor. That's where the Christmas tree is gonna go. And our library, right there. Stairs to go upstairs. And that's the front entryway. And then this is the wall we're gonna take down. Right there. That way you'll be able to walk straight to the front door into this room without going through the fancy parlor. Look at those freaking built-ins. Isn't that gorgeous? We thought, you see how thick these walls are, we thought there were going to be pocket doors in here, but there's not. They actually, the owner told us that they were taken out in the 60s because mice used to get in through there. So we're thinking long term these walls are going to come down and be replaced by columns just to open this up a little bit. I think we're also going to expand this kind of out, so you can see where we want to expand it to, just to make the kitchen even that much more wider, give us a little bit more space. Let's go upstairs. Oh, it smells like laundry detergent up here. Well, she's starting already. I was going to take pictures of all this before we took it down. Oops. Just, you want to stop? No. She attacks it with gusto. This is where we started. Not coming off easy. We're gonna try a stripper. We tried to experiment with laundry detergent there. That didn't work. And then, so this is gonna be the master. And then this is a secret passageway into the bath. Isn't this lovely? Doesn't it feel like you're visiting the Alps? Pretty good, pretty decent setup for a bath, in all honesty. Everything seems pretty new. This will be Kelly's office. Of course, the nicest room in the house. Only the best for Kelly. And then in here, what Kelly is currently tearing off. Oh my gosh, she's gone. Oh God. Wow.
Parts of this are way easier and parts of it are way harder.
That is shocking. Oh my gosh.
Like that side won't come off, or that wall. But then I come over here and it's like really easy.
You know, I bet it is. I think that's the southern wall. So it probably gets hotter. Glue probably deteriorates quicker. That's what I would think. My God. Good work. Glad I documented this now before you tore it all up. And now, the piece de resistance. This is by far my favorite part of the house. Oh, it is like, it's over 100 up here right now. It is so unbelievably hot. You would not believe it. It's fogging up the lens. You can see it. Yeah, it is. This is an attic. You can't really see it, but this will all be finished one day. And insulated and beautiful and ice cold because I'll have air conditioning. Oh God, I gotta get out of here. It's too hot. Oh. Have you been in the attic lately, hon? Have you been up in the attic? It is 100 degrees. It's terrible. All right. Stairs going down. Where do the projects end? Oh well, you know what? I gotta show you the basement. Not for those afraid of stairs. Not great stairs. So, if only this was in smell-o-vision, you would be able to smell just the deepest, mustiest funk. It is unbelievable. And the reason for it is because of this. That is a dirt floor. But yeah, that is the reason why. But this will be a workbench, an L-shaped workbench right here. Oh, this is all going to be workbench right here. That's going to go upstairs. This clothing line is going. And, so this is one of the first big projects. See, this is awful. It's called Parsh. It's like this sandy limestone awfulness. I'm going to scrape all of that off and dry lock it with clear dry lock so that all that natural bluestone, which you can see over here where it's kind of peeled off a little bit. I don't know if you can see, it might be too dark. But it is going to look awesome down here eventually. So that's all for now. I have to junk out the house, and unfortunately most of it's in the basement, so it's going to be pitch black, so you're not going to see anything anyway. But next time I will actually have a real project to do, and you can follow along with the progress that we post on this channel. Should be fun. Looking forward to getting a lot of stuff done. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tour of our new place. See you next time.
Open up your throat and let the all of that time go. I know it sucks that daddy's done, but try to think of what you want. You got to open up your throat. Open up your 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 throat. Open up your throat and let the all of that